Nadia Hassan from thefiercearies.com. I'm an Emirati fashion blogger that talks about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. I became a blogger to make a statement and to get my voice heard as a young Arab girl living in the Middle East. Ramadan is a month of giving and family. What I love most about it is spending time around a table with my friends and family over good food and great laughter. This year, I'm collaborating with Phillips Sound of Arabia on a cool initiative called Sound of Difference. The cause I'm supporting is breast cancer. Breast cancer is a disease that a lot of women suffer from and fight every day. I personally know friends and family who have suffered from this disease and overcame it. So I'm asking you to please help me support by voting for this cause and sharing this video on all of your channels. مبارك عليكم الشهر. أنا نادية حسن. رمضان كريم.